Today you'll learn, how do you join new yarn in knitting? You join new yarn by starting the new strand with a few stitches while leaving a tail, then weaving in the ends later.
To join new yarn, when you get to the end of a strand like this, I don't have enough here to go across this row. It's always best to join at the beginning or end of a row, because then you can hide it in a seam if you're seaming things up. You just simply add the new strand. You make sure that you leave a long enough end that you can hide it later. And since I'm purling, I just loosely purl like this. You can pull them, both of them, to tighten it up, but that first stitch is generally fairly loose. And later, whenever you're hiding your yarn ends, you just tighten them up like that and take the strand and thread your yarn needle with that new strand. It doesn't have to be the same color or a different color. It's just that you didn't have enough yarn to keep on going with the pattern that you were doing, and you just add it on like that. So that's how you join on new yarn.